Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Delta County in north-central Texas, Lamar County in north-central Texas, eastern Fannin County in north-central Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles south of Bennington to near Wolf City, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paris, Honey Grove, Blossom, Roxton, Dodge City, Pat Mays Lake, Lake Crook, Powder Lake, Sumner, Lake Gibbons, Crockett Lake, Pattonville, Arthur City, Coffee Mill Lake, Camp Maxey, Forest Hill, Ladonia, DePort, Pecan Gap, and Windham. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Tornado watch number 5.